Good morning, Leo.
Good morning, Maya. Wow, I am so tired today.
Did you sleep late last night?
Yes, I did. I studied for our big English test.
Oh, Leo, the English test is not today. It is tomorrow.
Oh no. Really? I made a big mistake.
It is okay. Now you are ready for tomorrow. Do we have any homework due today? Yes, we have math homework. Did you do it?
Yes, I finished it yesterday. Math is easy for me.
That is great. Math is hard for me. Can you help me later?
Sure, we can study together at lunch.
Thank you, Leo. You are a good friend. Look at the clock, Maya. What time is it? It is 7:55 a.m. School starts in 5 minutes.
Oh no, we're late. We need to run.
Let's go, fast.